Alright, we're gonna do some math videos. Here. With Bay. Right, Bay? She's in the zone.
I can't get any work done right now.
Okay, I'm sorry. So, we're gonna talk about more piecewise functions. Oh, I probably should turn around the other way. Okay. I thought if I tap it, it'll switch. Okay. Piecewise functions. Piecewise functions, part 2. There's always another way. There's literally always another way. Where there's a will, there's a way. Function here. I'm going to make sure that I use accurate values here. I'm going to go -4 through 4 for my table. Okay? I'm also going to make sure that I draw a dividing line here at -2 and at +2 because that's where they're overlapping in terms of the boundaries. But I'm going to use the numbers less than -2, which is these numbers, to fill in my table from the top part of the equation. And I plug this in, it's -4, but it's a closed dot because it's equal to. Down here it's also -4, but it's an open dot when I plug it into there because it's not included on this part of the function. Then I'm going to go -1, plug it in. I get -3, I get -2, -1, 0. It's an open dot. The reason why it's an open dot is because it's not included because it's not underneath. Here it's 0 included because when I plug 2 into this equation, it's included and I get a positive, or just get 0. So I'm going to keep plugging these in, and these are the values for my table. Now it's very important to pay attention to these specific values and how they match up to my graph. So for my table, these are what matter for that one. These middle ones, or these end ones, are what matter here. And we have overlap on that bottom part. Okay? When I graph this, I'm going to plot each point. So -4, -4, -3, -4, -2, -4. Then that point overlaps, so it has to be a closed dot. Then -1, -3, 0, -2, 1, -1, 2, 0. That point overlaps, so we keep it there. 3, -2, 4, -4. So I get this, and then this. Since the points overlap, there's actually no like open dots. All the values end up being included as a whole. But as far as values being included on this specific part, we do have some, these -2 and 2 is not included on this part of the piecewise. Very important to understand where these parts are included. That's why I'm not highlighting that specific section. All right, there's a quick little mini lesson on doing some piecewise functions, creating the table, and then creating the graph.